Here at Vixen, we've had a fantastic start to 2026. Over in the factory, we've been working really hard getting your orders ready, and we've been working on some really exciting special build projects also. Automated machines, robotic machines, bespoke machines that we ship worldwide. What we've also been doing in our research and development area is working on these cobots. They are much easier to program and a lot safer to work with. And we've been in the test centre processing sample parts for our customers who've been very impressed with the Saint Gobain ceramic media. Our new showroom is coming along nicely, which showcases some of the ovens that we sell, some powder coating equipment and extraction equipment. We're also in the background working on our new website for these machines, which will make your purchasing and buying process much easier. We've also featured in some popular industry magazines. Some of our most up-to-date machines are on there, so it'd be worthwhile checking it out, going and have a look. As we look forward to spring, our team is really excited on what it's got to offer. Thank you for supporting Vixen, and check out our socials.